Hello, I'm Peter Baker. Today's special short feature is about motorized, or sometimes called electric garage doors. The days of having to bend down and stretch up to open and close your rattling garage door are over. Old-style up and over doors don't live up to today's standards of high convenience, high technology, and high insulation and security values. With electric garage doors, you can even drive right up to your garage, push the remote button and drive straight in. It's really wonderful. We looked at a range of manufacturers of motorized garage doors, and we've picked Birkdale Manufacturing based in Lincolnshire as a great example of a long-standing company who offer a wide range of products including motorized garage doors as well as electric exterior security shutters, awnings and pergolas. Let's take a look at their leading product, roller shutter garage doors. These are so useful as you can park right up to the door as the door lifts vertically, so you can use more space outside and inside as well. These doors are manufactured using a high-tech aluminium profile filled with high-density foam or resin. This provides superb insulation, extends the life of the door and offers greater strength and security. They're available in different sizes and over 100 different paint finish colors. The finish is really superior, and you can choose the option of laminating over painting, offering a harder wearing finish backed with a 15-year guarantee. The doors are powered by a quality electric motor with the option of a battery backup system in case of a power failure, or you can use the mechanical spring-assisted system. These doors will look good, increase the convenience of use, improve insulation and also security. In fact, they've been tested to level 1 security standards. Available as an option on Birkdale's classic doors, but standard on the Excelsior, are the high-tech sensors that constantly monitor movement and any obstructions in the way for complete peace of mind. Birkdale also offer a new breed of bespoke motorized garage doors called sectional garage doors. Now, these offer a great combination of quality, function and style to complement any home. Customized to your exact requirements to the highest of standards, these sectional doors are backed by a 10-year guarantee. The individual panels are filled with fire-resistant insulating material, and the vertical lifting optimizes space inside and out. All the doors have finger prevention to stop pinching when opening or closing, and a spring brake safety device to prevent the door from unexpectedly closing. The quality of all components is of the highest quality, with perfectly weighted components, reducing wear both on manual and electric models. Birkdale offer a huge range of finishes and colors to complement any home. They have various ranges such as the Highline Plain Satin, the Wood Line, Design Line ranges, together with Top Line, where you can create your own personal designs. All these are available to you. Birkdale also offer a free home survey with no obligation, so that you get that personal touch and have the option to look at various styles and colors available to you.